Okay, we got a half-life example problem here for you. The half-life of a first-order reaction is 9.76 minutes. How long will it take for the reaction to be 97% complete? So the first thing I want you to notice about this problem is what's underlined. This is a half-life problem, so you know right away we're going to need a half-life formula. This is a first-order reaction, which is a specific formula tied directly to the half-life. So our two formulas we're going to be using here are two different ones. And so before we plug in anything and try and solve, we should get these 9.6 minutes here into seconds, because everything you plug into these equations will need to be in seconds. So we're going to get minutes here, 1 minute at the bottom and 60 seconds on top. So if we multiply that, you should get 576 seconds. Okay, so we have that. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is use our half-life equation. So we're looking for K. We don't have our K constant. So one of the best things about this half-life equation is when you're looking for these, you're simply just going to swap them. So new formula will look something like this. K equals the natural log 2 over our time of 576 seconds equals, okay, once you type that in the calculator, you should get 1.20 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay, so now that we have K, we can go back and use this formula, formula number 2. So we're going to do our natural log here of 0.03 and so with 0.03, that's pretty much our change in concentration. So that 3 pretty much represents the 3% that's left from 100%. So that's where that 0.03 comes from. Negative 20, plugging in our K here, T, and plus natural log of the initial, which we assume to be 1. Okay, if we don't know the initial, it's going to be 1. So now what we're going to do is just plug it in, and we're looking for the half-life now of T right here. So getting the natural logs and solving them, after everything's solved here, we should get T equals 29 seconds. That's going to be our final answer there for the half-life. Very simple basic algebra. Get your natural logs first, subtract one of them from the other, then divide by this number to get TLO.